We're starting the outdoor design of our oceanfront property, and we're choosing the speakers that we'd like to use to have an amazing look and feel. We trust one company that's going to provide us with the best product that's going to last forever, handle the elements, deal with salt water, and any other issues that we may face. So what we're looking at here for this outdoor speaker is the OW62QT-M. That is a mouthful, but it's really easy to understand. So we have OW, which stands for on wall. That is a fully sealed speaker made to go on a wall. The 6-inch woofer that's inside the speaker, that's going to give you your bass. The QT is the Quadratech Tweeter, which is the latest technology from Sonance and James Loudspeaker. And the M at the end stands for marine rated. So that would be something you would put on a boat or on an oceanfront property. So when you order this speaker, you have 16 different color options, from blacks to browns to gray to white and green. There's also 3 different finishes. So you have gloss, you have matte, and you have a hammered finish as well. So you're getting a nice aged bronze finish on this particular product. So what we would do to prep here is, when the masons are building the wall, they're going to use this product called a mason box. The mason box will go into the wall when they are building it. They will mortar around, and then this opening will be left when they are done. On the back side, or the top, or the sides, there's going to be a conduit feeding speaker wire from an amplifier into this box. When time comes, our team is going to take this speaker, we're going to slide it into the wall, we're going to connect the audio speaker wire with waterproof connectors, and then we're going to place the speaker in the wall. We will close it up with the grill, and then we're good to test things. At the very end of the process, we're going to bring our last grill in. This is always marine rated as well. It's never going to rust. It'll handle the elements. This grill is going to slide onto the front of the mason box, so there will be a double grill finish if you'd like, and then you'll have your final product. On this particular product, we're going to leave the edge of the mason box exposed, so you will have that finish exposed on the wall with the aged bronze color to kind of blend into whatever stone elements you'd like. There is an additional option if you want the speaker to go around the edge, so there is no edge exposed. So that is the final design of our outdoor audio product. We will pair this with a variety of James Loudspeaker products. So we have the PP12-M outdoor subwoofer. That's going to be a big subwoofer enclosed in an environment and feeding sound out into the patio. We have DF10 subwoofers, which go underneath furniture. They're down firing, and they're going to spread sound throughout the entire fire pit area. Along the pool, we have 2 of the James towers that are about the size of me up to my chest, and those towers are going to provide an amazing spread of sound throughout the entire property, which is a full range speaker. So we're going to have our tweeters, our mids, and our bass coming out of that tower. All of these products can be sprayed in any type of finish you'd like to match elements. So if you want browns or greens to match shrubs, you can do that with them as well. So James Loudspeaker is really the only way to go when it comes to outdoor audio products, especially if you're doing something out on the ocean and you really need to handle those elements. So we really look forward to finishing this outdoor project. It's going to be an amazing one, and we're happy to partner with Sonance and James on this.